So many people were just, like, I thought there was gonna be a fight at the airport, and I'm pretty sure there was after I left because everybody was just you guys. You know what? After the day I've just had, I feel like I could cry of joy right now. Is that my Uber Eats? Oh, yes! Oya Sola is on his way. Okay, so I'm here at the Blossom Hotel in Houston, Texas. I'll explain everything that just happened. But first off, let's show the room. So I'm on the Blossom floor, which is the 13th floor. When you walk in, it looks like this. Got a nice little city view. And then in here, there's a king bed. Holy crap, this is so freaking big. What? Oh my gosh, this is so nice. I'm like, hello. Oh, yeah, we're putting that on tonight. Here we have, oh my gosh, I'm like a little child right now. I'm so excited. Okay, bougie. Wow. Oh my lord. Everything happens for a reason, and I'm just gonna stick with that because today I have been in quite literally like the most stressed out mood. And it's because my flight got canceled. Oh crap, I gotta go meet my I got my Chipotle. I am one happy girl. Oh, I cannot wait to eat this. I'm literally so hungry right now. Let's dine. Oh, hello, Sydney Sweeney. What are you doing here? All right, I'm in Houston, Texas right now, and I was here for the last 3 days for an event, and today I was actually supposed to leave at like 3 o'clock, and my flight was gonna be like 3 to 4 hours. I was gonna arrive in Boise, Idaho, which is where I live, and then the second I get to the airport, they're like, oh yeah, your flight got canceled because Houston is just having quite the time. What would have been a 4-hour travel day is now gonna be 13 hours, and you're gonna have to spend the night in Denver. And I was like, whoa, that's a lot. I'm not really trying to arrive in Denver at 9 p.m., sleep there, and then leave at noon the next day. So luckily it all worked out, and the brand that flew me out here booked this room for me and was kind enough because this is literally on the top floor of the Blossom Hotel. So anyways, I'm about to show y'all how good this Chipotle looks because I'm so excited. I've never been so excited for literally like anything in my life. Holy cow. I just got my flight itinerary for tomorrow. It looks like I will be flying United again. I leave at 10:32 a.m. Oh my gosh, I get in at 7:22 p.m. It's gonna be a full-on day of traveling. That sounds like a lot of fun. Okay, so layover is in Denver. You know what? Denver airport is not too bad. I definitely think that the worst airport is either this one or Vegas. Something about it. And my Chipotle bowls, I get half chicken, half carnitas, brown rice, black beans, lettuce, and cheese. That is the way to go. Also, the corn is really good, but I forgot to add it. I don't know, I was way too stressed out. Honestly, kind of sad today because it's Mother's Day and my sister flew home and like I was staying with my mom, but I couldn't be there today. And on top of that, my dad had a work trip, so he's literally in Israel right now. I'm just glad that my sister got to spend Mother's Day with my mom, although I really wish that I could have as well. Today was actually really fun though. So a fan reached out to me. She wanted to meet me at the event that I was at the other day, but she had like a bridal shower. So I DM'd her on Instagram and I was like, well, I would love to take you out for breakfast. So I literally took her out for breakfast this morning, and then we just like shopped around all day. We literally went to the gym together. Yeah, it was really fun. And every single time that I've hung out with like my subscribers or people that watch my videos, it's always a party. It's always such a good time. So yeah, the day started off amazing, and honestly that was definitely the highlight of my day. Just after that it went really downhill. Houston airport is no joke. Okay, so I may or may not have just ordered more Uber Eats, but this time I ordered matcha boba. So it's about to be a party. I am literally so excited, but I think it's coming in like maybe like 10-ish minutes. So what I'm gonna do for the rest of the night is take my makeup off, wash my face. No. They have a literal Dyson in here. See, this is so bad because I literally was not gonna wash my hair, but now I wanna take a shower just to use this. This is so cool. I've never seen a Dyson hairdryer. I also don't own the Dyson Airwrap, even though I always wanted one, so this is crazy. Honestly, this makeup needs to come off my face right now. This is my favorite cleanser that I probably have ever used. It's the Osmosis Skincare Enzyme Cleanser. This is a new, fresh bottle. And then after my cleanser, I go in with the Caudalie Serum, and then I end it with the Pixie Beauty Clarity Lotion. Pixie is actually sold at Target, so y'all should try it out. Today, when the Uber driver came to pick me up, I literally almost vomited. Okay, where's the trash can? I'm like, hello. I almost vomited because it reeked of marijuana. That is probably one of the most, like, if I could choose a scent that I hate the most in the world, it would be that scent. It just smells so bad, like a literal skunk. I was questioning that. Obviously, like, I'm not gonna say something to the person, but I genuinely was like, sir, please, 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 roll down a window or something. Okay, so they have a makeup remover wipe. They also have a dental kit. Oh, it's a toothbrush. My electric toothbrush is in my bag. Whoa. And there's a little toothpaste. Have you ever seen the cutest little toothpaste in your life? We're using this tonight. I am trying to be on my vlogger, filmer game again because I used to be on it. Like, I don't even know how I did what I did when I was in high school because, like, I was pumping out content pretty much like 3 times a week. Ever since I went to college, everything just really hit me how much harder it is maintaining that balance. And I definitely think it doesn't help that I'm a homeowner and I pay taxes and deal with the world of insurance. So that is like a whole nother stress on top of college and then, you know, like doing school. But I hope that you guys are actually like enjoying the content and it feels like it's quality stuff because I really try my best to put out things that like I'm proud of. Cannot wait to see my dog, and by the time that y'all are watching this, I'm gonna have already been in Texas for like a week. Yay! I'm so excited to squeeze my dog in a safe way, obviously, and I just can't wait to see him and be with him because I hate only seeing him through the phone, but ultimately that's what I've had to do is just FaceTime him. He's getting so big. Y'all aren't gonna even recognize Matcha when I show him in the videos. Ashley has your order. Period. Let's go walk to the lobby. I just picked up my boba from outside. I'm so excited. So I ended up getting 2 things. I got one thing for right now, and then tomorrow, what did I get? Was it like a mocha coffee? Yeah, this is a mocha coffee. I'm gonna drink this tomorrow before my flight. This hotel is so new that they don't even have their gym finalized yet. Like, there's a temporary one, and then they don't have the like the restaurant fully built yet. I planned ahead in advance because tomorrow I am not taking any chances. I'm gonna get picked up really early, that way I don't miss my flight tomorrow. But I got the matcha milk tea with tapioca. Look at what I got. I got boba. You want to say hi to the vlog?
Hi vlog. Look what I've got on my shoulder.
She's got matcha. Uber Eats credit thing. Do this. Ready? Okay, taste test. Cheers. That literally just spilled all on me.
So what do you think?
That's real good. Oh my gosh, look. I just got it all on me.
Oh, minor.
Dang it.
You have to shout it out when you get home.
I know. Can you believe I'm coming home in like 2 days? Look at how much of this planner I've already used. All of this I've used, and this is all that's left. So the second I get back to Austin, Texas, I am going to the Erin Condren store at the Domain, and I'm getting a new planner because I feel so accomplished having filled out basically this entire planner. I've kind of become a pro at taking out my own contacts. I started wearing them about a year ago. First time that I tried to take them out of my eyes, I literally had a panic attack. I had really, really long nails and I was just freaking out. Like I had no idea how to do it. So for about an hour, I was crying. I looked up every video on how to get contacts out of your eye. And now it's kind of I don't even think I'm doing it right. Some people do like they squeeze with 2 fingers if you have nails. I literally just like pull down on my eye and then it just comes out. Hopefully I'm not damaging my eye, but it works. It works every single time. Okay, wind down for the night. I'm so excited to sleep in this bed. This is a literal humongous king size bed and I already know I'm about to sleep like a sleeping kitten tonight, but I do have a bunch of work to do and then I do want to watch a show on the big TV over here, but first I gotta edit. So turn on this light. Plug in my laptop charger. My dad just called me. It's 3 a.m. in Israel right now and he just got to his hotel, but he wanted to call me and just kind of ask how my day was. So it was really good catching up with him. Oh my gosh, this is so cool. Because the surprise for semester at sea took so long for me to announce, I decided that I wanted to be generous this week and upload 3 videos for y'all because I love you guys. Excuse me. I wouldn't be here literally in this beautiful hotel room if it wasn't for y'all constantly supporting and watching me. Good morning, everyone. It is 7 a.m. in the morning. I'm drinking the second coffee that was a part of my order yesterday. This mocha coffee is so good. It's really sweet, but I don't even care because today's gonna be a long travel day and I need all the sugar I can get. I'm not gonna do a full face of makeup. I think the only thing that I feel like doing is just mascara. But first I need to comb out my lashes. I slept so well last night. That bed was like a marshmallow. I'm kind of sad. I really, really like this hotel, but I am excited to go back home because my friend KK is picking me up. She was my first friend that I met when I moved to Idaho for college. We both did first semester at Boise State, but then second semester she transferred to SMU in Texas. So we kind of like flip-flopped and I haven't seen her since Christmas time, which was before she left for SMU. So she's picking me up from the airport today and I'm so excited. We're gonna have a sleepover tonight. I just cannot wait to see her. She's literally my favorite person ever. The other day I pinched my lashes so bad in this eyelash curler and I was literally crying. If you've ever done that, comment down below because that's another form of pain that people don't really talk about. It like gets caught on your lashes too. It's so bad. Milk Kush mascara. This is my favorite natural looking mascara. It's not clumpy and it just goes on really nice. I feel so bad because some of the other talent that was here at the event with me, I became friends with pretty much all of them. I was texting one of them last night and they had been at the airport from like noon all the way till 3 a.m. and then they got scammed over the phone because they tried to book a hotel. Somebody tapped into the phone call, heard the credit card information, then once they got to the hotel was like, no, we don't have your reservation. So I feel absolutely horrible for them. I'm just really, really praying that today is a better travel day for United Airlines because this whole thing happened because of the strikes going on. I guess the pilots went on strike and conveniently they chose to do it on Mother's Day. So many people were just like, I thought there was gonna be a fight at the airport and I'm pretty sure there was after I left because everybody was just so on edge. I've never ever seen that in my life. Mascara is all done. My Uber's coming in like 30 minutes. This is really good, so it's okay.